Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, so as usual, it's askrhaze day. Please do leave your comments below with the hashtag askrhaze if you want your videos, if you want your questions to be featured on my next Q&A video. And without further ado, I'll go ahead and start para marami tayong questions na makover. And before I start, I just want to tell you guys na I'm not gonna answer the same questions over and over again. If you want to watch my previous Q&A videos, please do. I will have them linked below kasi marami akong questions na nabasa na na-answer ko na before. So, yeah, if you want lang naman to check out my previous Q&A videos, just like, feel free to click the links below. From Huljom Park, I'm sorry if I pronounce your name wrong, but natural po bang pouty lips nyo? Madalas kasi ako dyan nakatingin pag nag-watch ako ng videos and cute kasi, dream lips ever. Is it pouty? I don't think pouty yung lips ko. Parang feeling ko normal lang naman, hindi naman siya pouty, I didn't do anything special. It's all natural. If it's pouty looking, then it's natural. So yeah, thank you so much though. From Joanna Reyes, hi Miss Reyes, I really love you and your videos. Ask ko lang po kung ano po gagawin nyo sa Australia. Is it for good, vacation, or work? It's definitely not for good, not for work either. So I'm just going there for holiday. Bibisitahin ko si Mr. Bear at saka yung pamilya niya because it's time to meet the family, whatever. Kinakabahan nga ako ng bonggang-bongga. But yeah, yun yung purpose ko pagpunta doon. Kasi tapos na kasi yung turn niya, diba? Nakapunta na siya dito, na-meet na yung family ko. And we think na it's time for me to meet his family as well. And I'm nervous as F. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do there. From Mauzu Beng, merong dalawang questions dito. Number 1, ilang years ka po nag-work sa Cayman? I worked there for, I can't even say a year. Siguro less than a year lang. It was, kasi, Cayman tapos US. Parang palipat-lipat ako. Though, the same company. Yung ganap ko noon was 6 months ako sa US, 6 months ako sa Cayman. But it didn't really happen like that. 3 months ako sa US, tapos balik sa Cayman, tapos balik US na naman. Yun yung ganap ko noon. Pero kung ito-total mo sila overall, it was less than a year. And kung sa Cayman lang, siguro more than 6 months. I can't really do math right now. Basta, hindi siya umabot ng year. Number 2, was it your dream na makapag-boyfriend ng foreigner? No, not at all. Living abroad and working abroad was my dream though. And yung pinaka-dream ko talaga noon is makakita ng snow. Nakapunta sa US. And when I saw snow, you guys, oh my gosh, like napaiyak talaga ako na parang, oh my gosh, this is what dream come true feels like. As in, sobrang bongga. Pero living in the US wasn't actually my favorite, to be honest with you guys. I was expecting a lot from it, na parang iniisip ko kasi, di ba, dream ko nga siya. Iniisip ko, oh my gosh, I will love it there. I will never leave, something like that. But actually, nung nandun na ako, parang sabi ko, ang lungkot-lungkot ko doon. And I'm pretty sure it was because, like, I was with wrong people. Not, like, wrong because they're bad. Not at all. Pero I was surrounded with like not the right people, I guess. Kaya hindi ganun ka pleasant yung pag-stay ka doon. But yeah, it wasn't my favorite. Wait, your question was, nung nagtrabaho na ako doon, I really can see myself settling down with a foreigner kasi nga ang babait nila, sobrang nire-respeto nila yung ako, like, yung culture natin, though hindi nila alam talaga kung ano, but they respect it. I find them really nice naman. Kasi when I was younger, haba na ng explanation ko sa question na to. Anyway, when I was younger kasi, parang ang tsaka ng image ng mga foreigner dito sa Philippines. Like, they say, oh my gosh, they're bad. Like, they will treat you bad kapag nag-asawa na kayo and all that ish. Pero when I was working with those people, actually, they're really freaking nice. Well, I haven't really worked with an Australian before, but you know what I mean? Foreigners in general, hindi ko as in ultimate dream na makapag-boyfriend ng foreigner. It just so happened that we clicked and I like him and he likes me. Well, it's more than like right now, but you know what I mean? So yeah. From Angie Lu, okay lang po ba sa parents nyo na kayo lang dalawa na Mr. Bear ang magkasama pag nag-out of town? Like, nung nasa Cebu Business Hotel ata yun, it was Crown Regency, but yung isa lang kayo ng room, hindi po ba sila mahigpit towards you to think na kayo po ang panganay? The answer of this question is, I'm already 25 years old. I'm no longer 12. I'm no longer a teen. I know what to do with myself. Yeah, for me, it's normal. We're a couple. Like, we're together. So I don't see the reason why we should book different rooms. Mas magiging weird siya kapag nag-iisa-isa kami ng room. You know what I mean? Nasa tamang katinuan na ako na gawin ko ano yung gusto ko and gawin ko ano yung tama. From Jennifer Eugenio, Hi Rhaze, I'm happy to hear na pupunta ka sa Australia. Yes, kinikilig ako doon para sa inyo ni Mr. Bear. Vlog ka ba doon? And if ever i-upload mo ba? Yes, I will vlog. I'm gonna be there for quite a while actually, so I'm sure I will vlog. I will still upload videos for you guys. From Super Alesnacy, she has 3 questions for me. Unsa ang first impression sa imong family na nakauyab na Australian? This is in Bisaya. She's asking me what's my family's first impression na kami ni Mr. Bear. Actually, they're fine. I mean, it's normal. Obviously, it was awkward kasi, you know, they need to speak in English, but it's not like awkward because he's white. Number 2, na-meet na ni mga family ni Mr. Bear. She's asking if I've met Mr. Bear's family. No, I haven't, but soon I will. Number 3, if Mr. Bear's family approves our relationship. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they are. Mga magaganda naman daw yung feedbacks ng family niya tungkol sa amin. From Catherine Dahilig, Hi Rhaze, been watching your videos since day 1. Next. Anyways, if ever you are given the chance to change something on your face, dapat meron, what would it be and why? Sasabihin ko sana wala kasi okay naman. Pero kasi sabi mo dapat meron, my nose, okay? Gusto ko pahabain siya ng konti, pero I will never ever do it. Hindi ako kagandahan, but I don't really think of changing something sa face ko. I'm fine with it. From Maria Eunice, this is Bisaya as well. Hi Ate Rhaze, nakabantay ko ba na katong second oldest brother mo sunod ni Marlon kay panagsara makitan sa imo vlogs unlike ni Mark and Marlon. Close mo pagkaigsuon, happy 17k subscribers. She's asking about my other brother. Meron akong other brother na hindi ko talaga fini-feature sa vlogs ko kasi mahihain siya. But we're close. We're not like, oh my gosh, I love you, close. You know, hindi kami nagkaganyan. But we're close enough na walang dull moments. Kapag magkasama kami lahat, lagi lang kami nakatawa. Kahit na ano pa yan, like, meron talagang rason na tatawa kami. You know, we are close. From Princess Santos, she has 3 questions for me. Number 1, kasama mo ba si Mr. Bear sa Australia magbakasyon? Yes, of course. Number 2, best lip balm for you. The lip balm I'm using right now, the Tokyo Milk. Number 3, last na please, magkakaroon ka ba ng time na pumunta ng Manila? I actually do not know. I would love to visit Manila though, to see Anne. Yun lang talaga yung pupuntahan sa Manila. Yeah, gusto ko lang talaga makita si Anne at saka yung family niya. Yung last time na nakapunta ako sa Manila was when I applied for my tourist visa para sa US. Nagpunta ako sa US Embassy. I'm so paranoid na parang, ewan ko, I just don't feel safe. Well, I don't feel safe sa Cebu City. How much more sa Manila, diba? Alam mo yun, na kahit na nagtatagalog ako, sinascam pa rin ako ng taxi driver. It's just crazy. From Maylin Lim, Hi Rhaze, you're so beautiful. Ilan na po ang naging boyfriend nyo? Local and foreign. Third is Mr. Bear. Yung dalawang naging ex ko, puro Pinoy. And that was when I was really young. I actually have a story time video about them. So, if you're interested to see that, I will leave the link of those videos below. Pero si Mr. Bear lang yung foreigner. Siya lang yung nag-isa. From Marvy419, if you are vlogging in public, may mga tao bang nag-uusapan about you na parang sinasabi nila na parang nagbabrag ka of your phone or parang sira ka na kasi you're talking on your phone, you know what I mean? If ganun lang, how do you deal with it? Yes, I do get that look a lot. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung iniisip nila do. Kung iniisip nila na nagyayabang ako or kung iniisip nila na baliw ako. But I do get looks kapag nagva-vlog ako. That's why hindi pa rin ako komportable mag-vlog. From Floor Jasmine, Hi Rhaze, pwede mong mag-ask, paano mo napatawad ang kapatid mo about sa car mo? How did you deal with the situation? Never akong nagtanim ng galit sa kapatid ko because of what happened. It was an accident and I am just so happy na he is okay, na walang nangyaring masama sa kanya. Yes, it's sad kasi I lost the car, but at the end of the day, it's just a freaking car. Like, you know, I can save money again and then buy one. You know what I mean? If something happened to my brothers because of that freaking car, I don't know what I would do. So I'm just happy na okay siya and walang nangyari sa kanya. Minsan nga lang nakakainis kasi I do not know how to drive my dad's car. Hindi ako komportable na i-drive yung sasakyan ng papa ko. So we need him to drive us every time na gusto namin umalis kasi nga we're using my dad's car now. And kapag hindi siya pumayag kasi tinatamad siya, doon ako naiinis kasi like I would not be asking you right now to drive us if hindi mo binangga yung sasakyan ko. Nasasabi ko siya minsan. From Kayla Lala, Hi Ate Rhaze, may I ask ano pong favorite local brow product mo? Hope you'll answer it po. My current favorite is the one I have on right now. This is the Detail Make Brow from Cosmetics Unlimited PA. I have a review on it. I will leave the link below. From Pau Manman, hello Rhaze, just wanna ask, what if Mr. Bear asks you for marriage? Ready ka na ba? You know what? I'm not gonna answer this because he's watching right now and your question is in English. So, naiintindihan niya yun ng bonggang-bongga. So, I'm so sorry. Hindi ko siya sasagutin. Nakakaloka. Baka nung mangyari. From Vanessa C, another question Rhaze. You've mentioned today that you have strange dreams. Do you check it online, like dream interpretation websites? No, I don't check it online. I dream like almost every night, so I feel like it's normal. Pero like, you know, meron akong mga naririnig na if it's snake, someone is cheating on you or something like that. If you dream about teeth, merong mamamatay. I don't know if that's true. Number 2, do you believe in horoscope and what's your sign? My sign is Scorpio, pero horoscope, you mean yung mga daily horoscopes? I don't believe in that. Number 3, have you tried consulting a fortune teller, like a palm reader? I haven't consulted like a professional palm reader, but when we had our internship sa mental hospital dito sa Cebu, merong mentally ill patient na like nag-read ng palm ko. Obviously, he's mentally ill, so he's not professional. Pero that was the only palm reading experience na na-experience ko. And yung naalala ko lang was sabi niya at 25, char, mag-aasawa na daw ako. I will have 2 kids, 1 boy and 1 girl. Tapos sabi pa niya, yung magiging asawa ko daw is seaman. O, diba? Bongga. Yan yung sabi niya sa akin. From Dre08, Hi Ate Rhaze, tanong ko lang po kasi sumali din po ako sa mga dating site. Tapos may nakaka-chat po ako, mga kasing edad ko lang din, 23 years old. Nung kayo po ba na Mr. Bear, ikaw po ba ate yung unang chat sa kanya? Kasi po kaming dalawa, kadalasan po ako palagi. Pero minsan siya po, ganun po ba talaga yung mga foreigner or siya lang? Thanks po. First few weeks na magkausap pa lang kami, like wala pang chemistry and all, like magkausap pa lang talaga kami. Yeah, like kadalasan ako yung nag-uunang good morning and all that ish. I'm gonna do a story time video but I'm not gonna say soon. Pero pagdating ko sa Australia, magsa-story time video ako. So you will know like the details. Kasi marami siyang kinakausap. Bago lang siya sa dating website na yon. And kapag bago ka pa lang, ma-overwhelm ka talaga sa dami ng babae. And I know na marami siyang kausap and sinasabi niya rin sa akin na marami siyang kausap na babae. And I'm fine with it kasi nga, we're just friends. I wasn't really looking for a boyfriend then kasi I've been single for a really long time and I was fine naman. I wasn't really like desperate to look for someone. You know what I mean? So, I wasn't really expecting something out of it. Pero when something happened and parang naging okay na, bigla na lang nagustuhan niya ako. Char, bigla na lang nagustuhan niya ako. Pero, you know, parang bigla na lang nag-iba. Siya na yung lagi talagang nagme-message. And hanggang ngayon, siya yung una nagme-message and in the morning. And I feel bad nga sometimes eh. Kasi gising na ako, pero nakakalimutan ko siyang i-message. Inuuna ko pa yung coffee ko kasi sabihan siya ng good morning. And that happens every single day na siya talaga nag-uunang good morning. Kapag ako yung nakauna, it's a miracle. He makes sure na kahit sobrang busy siya sa trabaho, meron talaga siyang time na good morning, princess. Char, good morning, princess. From Teresa Penarubia. Hi, Ate Rhaze. Congrats, 17K sabis na. Thank you. Question ko po, why did you choose nursing? Dream mo po ba ito? Thanks. By the way, I'm also a nurse. You know what? Yung pag-enroll ka ng nursing was, ano bang term? Parang napasubo. Parang napasubo lang. Napasubo? Ano? Basta? Parang napasubo lang. Yun ata yung term niya. Nagpunta kami sa school na hindi ko alam kung ano yung course nakukunin ko. I was thinking of like something about computer, whatever. Kasi yun yung major ko nung 3rd year high school ako kasi merong major like drafting, cooking, computer yung major ko nung 3rd year ako eh. IT ata yung gusto ko. Basta kalimutan ko, basta computer related. Pero you guys, pagdating na namin sa school and I saw these nursing students na naka-uniform, white uniform, I was like, oh my gosh, I wanna wear that uniform. I'm gonna choose nursing. So that's why I chose nursing. Isn't that freaking crazy? Just because of the freaking uniform, nag-enroll ako sa nursing. From Kay Luz or Liz, I don't know how to pronounce that, I'm sorry. Ate, ask ko lang, para sa'yo, pangit ba talaga na ma-in love ka sa ex ng friend mo? Though naka-move on na yung friend mo, thanks in advance. Oh my gosh, I've never experienced this. Kung naka-move on na sila dalawa, not just pretending na naka-move on na ha, yung totoong naka-move on na silang dalawa, I don't think it's wrong. You can't really control your feelings. Char! I think what's wrong is kahit na ex na niya, ayaw niya na maging boyfriend mo siya. You know, well, siguro depende kung as in super best friend kayo. I actually do not know what to do with that. Pero para sa akin, kung as in wala na talaga sila, naka-move on na silang dalawa, I think you have the right to love whoever you want to love. As long as he loves you back, you should be fine. I think you should be fine. From Joyce Parinias, hi Ate Rhaze, in the previous years, for example, high school years mo, na-imagine mo ba sarili mo na magagawa ko yun soon? Yung pagpasyal or work mo in different countries or hindi talaga expected? Thank you. Again, as I mentioned kanina, bata pa lang ako, or hindi naman kasi sobrang bata pa. Pero like, you know, nung may malay na ako sa buhay-buhay, gusto ko talaga magtrabaho sa ibang bansa. Gusto ko talaga tumira sa ibang bansa. It was unexpected that it happened that soon and it happened the way it did. Pero yun talaga yung dream ko na makapunta doon and maka-travel somewhere. Hi Ate Rhaze, I'm Samantha, 4th year nursing student from Davao City. How was your psychiatric exposure? Oh my gosh. Pwede ka bang mag-share na experience mo? And anong favorite mong nursing subject? My favorite nursing subject is maternal and child nursing. And yeah, it makes me smile. I love babies. Psychia exposure, na-explain ko na may nag-read ng palm ko. That was in male area though. Sa female, someone spat on me. Dinuraan ako ng bonggang-bongga. Dura? Yun tama yun, diba? She didn't like me at all. So, dinuraan niya ako ng bonggang-bongga. Napaatras ako, pero meron pa rin konti na napunta sa uniform ko and I was like, I wanna kill you right now. I'm kidding. But yeah, kasi nasa ano siya eh. Nasa ano ba tawag doon? Yung isang area na kinukulong sila kapag nagiging violent sila. Nandun siya. I think it was our first day na we were having a tour na nandito yung mga violent na patients. Kinukulong sila dito. I looked at her. She didn't like me, so she spat on me. Perfect. Great first day. From Camelia Dumas, have you tried magpa-Brazilian wax? If yes, how was your experience? If not yet, naisip mo ba na magpa-Brazilian wax? Thanks. I have never tried waxing in general. Like, you know, getting it professionally done. I did try it myself though. Nung nasa Cayman pa ako, I think I tried like honey cold wax something. That didn't work out well. It was freaking painful. I'm pretty sure I wasn't doing it right though because like, you know, I was just doing it myself and I didn't really have experience and I think I did it once. I didn't do it again. Pero I wanted to try it like professionally done. Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan. And that's a wrap, you guys. That's it for our weekly Q&A. Please again, leave your questions below with the hashtag askrhaze if you want your questions to be featured in my next Q&A video. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Please do like and subscribe. Bye!